What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to restart Tailscale on Windows. So the first thing we're going to do is to go to our search bar and search for services. You could simply click on it, but it would be better if we run it as administrator. Once it's open, we're going to find Tailscale. We're going to scroll down until we see it. We're going to find the letter T, and here it is. Now you simply have to right click on it, then choose restart. Wait for it to finish, and there you have it. Now in case if the restart button is grayed out, you could always choose stop, choose start again, basically an alternative way of restarting it. There's actually another way of doing this by going to the command prompt console. We're gonna go to our search bar again, search for command prompt if it's not there yet, and we're going to run it as administrator. And we're gonna type in there net stop tailscale, hit enter to stop the process. You'll receive a message saying that it was stopped successfully. Then we're gonna type there again net start tailscale, hit enter. It's gonna say the tailscale service is starting, then a message saying it has successfully started. And those are ways to restart Tailscale on Windows. Thanks for watching.